Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm just going to give you guys an update on my Bohemian goddess locks that I did not too long ago. At this point in this video, my locks here are 3 weeks old. Also, I just finished washing my locks, so if you guys want to know how I do that, I do have a video up on my channel. I will link it here, so just click this iCard and it'll take you there to see how I do that. But I did want to just go ahead and give you guys like a small snippet of what the locks look like fresh out the shower. To me, you can't really tell that they're wet until you look at the ends, but I did want to show you what the ends look like fresh out the shower. Okay, so some things that I just want to mention after having worn this style for 3 weeks is a couple of things. Like I did end up burning the ends of this style. So one thing I wanted to say was that the hair didn't stick together too bad. I know a lot of times when you burn locks, they kind of get stuck together, but these were okay. They had some stickiness, but weren't bad. Like as time progressed, they just didn't stick to each other. So that was like a major plus for me. Another thing I wanted to mention is that like at the ends, if you don't wrap the hair tight enough at the ends or don't secure it enough, like burn it well enough, it will kind of slip down and create these little knots or little bulbs or whatever. I was okay with that. I feel like it added to the look, but if you do not want that, make sure that you secure the ends very well. So another thing that I enjoyed about these locks is that they are not stiff at all. They have a natural flexibility to them. I know sometimes when you wrap locks too tight, they can be stiff, especially within that first week of wearing them. So I do love that these locks are not stiff at all. I always feel this way with locks, especially DIY faux locks, is that the older they get, the better they look. They start to look more natural. At this point, mine are starting to look like they almost real. So it's time for me to take them out. I'm not going to keep them in for too much longer, maybe 2 weeks. So that'll be 5 weeks for me. I think I may take them out a week earlier just to let my hair just relax and breathe for a little bit before I put another style in. So right here, I'm just showing you what my scalp is looking like, how that new growth is coming in with the locks. Like I said, it's been 3 weeks exactly in this video. So I just want to show you guys that. Also guys, I do want to go ahead and encourage you to watch the first video if you haven't watched that. It's very detailed, so you can get a very good understanding of how I installed these locks. If you guys want to know how I sleep at night with these locks, I do have a video on how I sleep with long braids, etc., and I will leave a link to the iCard for that video right here. But yes guys, I just want to go ahead and show you what my hair has been looking like after it's been in for 3 weeks. I hope you guys enjoyed this update. As always, if you have any questions for me, please leave your questions down in the comment section, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.